My name is Elizabeth Lessner. I'm the CEO and president of the Betty's family of restaurants. It's a growing restaurant group of 4 local and independently owned restaurants, soon to be 5, coming up in just a few months. One of the things that's really important to our restaurant group is to leave our neighborhoods and communities better than we found them. And in doing so, it's really important that we find ways to reduce, reuse, and recycle the waste that we generate. In the summertime, you wouldn't believe how much heavy waste we were throwing out. We have watermelon rinds, we have corn on the cob. There's just so much heavy waste that we knew we were putting in the landfill we didn't feel good about. So we needed to find a way to be able to compost. Since the company didn't exist, I had partnered with our environmental consultant to start our own company. Earth Unlimited was just formed. We have a warehouse over on the south side of Columbus, or over near the Audubon Center on the Whittier Peninsula. Our warehouse houses recycled goods. We recycle books, bottles, cans, cardboard. We sell it on a commodities market. In addition, we are about to purchase some trucks that will go around and pick up compost. The exciting things about these trucks is they're going to be fueled by restaurant grease. So one of my restaurants, Dirty Frank's Hot Dog Palace, goes through 132 gallons of restaurant grease per week. That's enough to fuel a car or one of our trucks for a week. So, I mean, first and foremost, we have an obligation to leave our community, to leave our neighborhood better than we found it. It's really important to us that we're not creating a mess, that we're not creating a nuisance. In the same way that we want to run our bars responsibly, it's important that we manage all things of our operations as responsibly as possible, and that includes being sustainable and being green. It's just as important as any other part of our business. But there's a big education piece and an advocacy piece, making sure that restaurant owners see that there is a bottom line that can be met while going green, and it's a win-win. The visionary is someone who looks at doing things a different way, pioneering an effort to change the way that change the future.